Hello everybody, today we have our Oneplus Buds Pro which look absolutely beautiful, so let's dive into the unboxing. Let's unwrap the box first of all. You can see we have got a big red box that has many contents inside it. This is an Indian packaging and it looks good. At the front you can see there is a Oneplus box and with the parts too. We further have the pricing and about the product at the back, the features that it gives. You can also see we get Bluetooth 5.2 with it. We can also see the pricing and stuff at the back. It has a minimal packaging and also an aesthetic one. Further we can see we get the buds itself, which has been wrapped in a good polythene packaging. Now we can see that there is a lifting, and we'll further get inside to see that we have some accessories too. We get 3 boxes for the accessories here. Now it's done, the box should be kept aside. So we can also see here it gives us the manual, a very small manual that is mainly for the touching of the bars of the buds. Here we can see we get extra tips that comes in small, medium and large. Here you will get small and medium. Now the further accessories we can see here. So in this one I guess we'll be getting a small cable for charging the buds, the box of the buds. So it's a very small one, but the classic OnePlus red cable to start off with. Let's keep them aside, and now the main package that has Buds for Life written on it. We can see some contents there too. So firstly we get a red cable card with which you can avail some great features and offers. Further we get some instruction manual that we won't be using because we're smart. We get a manual that has more content in it. Let's dive into the buds. So here you get a bit of plastic to start off. Let's peel it off. The buds look good to start off with. It has got a matte finish, matte black finish. It's minimalistic, it's decent looking. And one good point of the buds are this, that they are actually very compact. You can keep them inside your pocket or anywhere else with ease. The one point that I didn't like much was it attracted a lot of fingerprints. And let's move on to the buds. Buds look actually premium. They're very lightweight and actually resemble the premium range, just like the Apple ones. We can see it has got a very good and firm box. We can see it also has left and right to get information about what will be the bud for which area. We also can see that it isn't very thick, and also we get a USB-C with it. It has a OnePlus written on the top. Also we get buttons to reset it. If we press it for long, we'll reset and we can use it for another device. So that's it for the box. Let's move on to the buds. The buds are very light to start off with. And the thing is that we can control many things from the side bar, which is very small and is in gray color. We can not obviously increase the volume, but we can change the music or the video we are seeing or the stuff. Also we can enable or disable the active noise cancellation. It has a good noise cancellation to talk about. It's really good, and it's like a 8 out of 10. Also we can see that the buds are like lightweight and also they feel solid. So thanks for watching guys. This was it for the video. I'll be there with more.